People, welcome to Gingerbread Jelly Beans. Welcome to another episode of J Vlogs. If you're tuning in and you haven't liked or subscribed, please do so right now. Don't dare. Alright, people? Alright, so let's jump into the vlog. Alright, we can't sing, so scrap that. But yeah, jumping into the vlog now. People, welcome back. So today I'll be talking about college life, like literally going to college for the first time, not knowing what to expect, and pretty much some of the struggles them that you'll face when going to college. Alright, so for ready, bam. From my experience, college is fun. College is something that, you know, make you interact with people from all different type of country. College, it's not difficult. Like for me, college wasn't all that difficult. It was just like the external factors like tuition fee, which I want to talk about right now. Like tuition fee, like many of us in Jamaica right now got accepted to college, whether it be UWI, whether it be UTech, whether it be GC Foster, Edna Manley, whether it be Churches Teachers College, you name it, right? The number one thing that is affecting us is tuition fee. Like literally, most of us are rich, most of us are struggling. I'm not ashamed to say that. Alright, you shouldn't be ashamed to even hear that. But yeah, that's one of the biggest issues when going to college or starting college. You get accepted to college and you don't have the school fee and you're like, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? Should I even go to college? Should I wait? Should I try and find a school fee? What should I do? Like many people right now as I'm making this vlog pretty much confused. They don't know what to do. They don't know who to go to for help. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to encourage you right now. Like literally, think about it, people. Seriously, think about it. You got an acceptance letter. I remember how I felt when getting an acceptance letter for college. Trust me, my happy bubble just gone, my head just swell up. You understand? Because I was so excited, like college, yes. So you know, you're pretty excited, but then again, reality hits you. Like boom, reality hits you right there and then. How am I going to get the tuition fee? Where am I getting the money from? You're not sure if you're going to get student loan. A lot of people don't apply to student loan because they don't like it. The interest rate is high. Some people apply and don't even get the student loan. So pretty much it's a struggle right there and then. But my advice to you is that take the acceptance letter, right? Get together with your family and pray over it. Literally pray. Pray to God that He will allow you to start college and allow you to pretty much get the fee, the money that is needed to pay for your exams, right? Remember, you get accepted to college now. Exams are in about December, November to December. So you have like 2 months, you know, where you can pretty much try and seek out help and try and get that school fee. So my advice, start college. Like literally start college, select your courses them, just start. Get one foot in. Literally, you get the paper, that's your acceptance. Get one foot in college. Like cement your place with that one foot in by attending classes. Go attend classes, do the courses them, pass them. Alright? That's my advice. Secondly, don't worry about the tuition fee too much. Try to enjoy college life. Try to pass your exams and all that. Because if you pass your courses and stuff, and people notice that, you going out and seeking scholarship and people noticing that, alright, you know, you're struggling and stuff, you're actually doing good in college. People would recognize that and pretty much offer assistance to you, come from out of nowhere sometime. And you'll pretty much get the help. So my advice to people is that if you get accepted to college, please go. Find a way to go. Use your resources. Call upon your relatives, your big brother, your big sister. Even if you and them not talk for years now, call them out of the blues, you know, even though it's just random. But yeah, sometimes you have to build a relationship with people so they can pretty much help you. But yeah, start college. College is very good. I know you're going to worry about how am I going to pass the course. You're going to fret. You're going to, you know, wonder if it's the right thing that you're doing. I'm telling you, it is the right thing. Like, higher level of education is good for everybody. Don't make people tell us, oh, you don't need to go to college. Yes, actually, it's very good, like 90% good to go to college. You can learn so much, not even from the courses, but actually learn from people and what they're doing. But college, there's so much, there's the wealth of knowledge at college, at this institution. It's so great that you just need to get there. You just need to be around people that are creative, people that there's so much good in going to college. So my advice, start college. Pray, use up your family, use up relatives, them, seek help, and just start. So if you're having those right now when you're watching this vlog, I'm telling you those, go ahead. You have my permission, go ahead, start college. Don't worry about the tuition fee too much. Just try and send in some application letter. Business places, ask them for help. People, $20,000, this is Jamaican currency I'm talking, $20,000, 5,000, 10,000, just ask for help, reach out to people, show them that you really, you know, want the help, and also show them that you're going to give back to your community, because a lot of people get the help and don't want to give back. And like business places look into this. They're like, oh, I'm going to help you. What are you going to do for your community? Give back, volunteer your time, your free time, doing community service, literally help with homework programs. All those things help to build your profile, you know, as a student or as a college student. So my advice, get together with people, volunteer, help people, and the help will come back to you. You'll be surprised. All right, people, so that's my advice. Get the acceptance letter, go to college, all right? So enjoy the college life, enjoy yourself, all right? So again, this is J Vlogs, Gingerbread Jelly Bean. Wanna go college, taking education, all right? Don't waste time. Love on the people. I'm out.